The AfriForum has reported that it has made progress towards its objective of getting the Constitutional Court to revoke Dr. John Hlophe's appointment as a member of the Judicial Services Commission. This comes after the Constitutional Court issued directives on Monday, ordered respondents in the case to submit answering affidavits to AfriForum's application for direct access to the court. The respondents include Dr. Hlophe, the Speaker of Parliament, and Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Dr. Hlophe was elected to represent the National Assembly on the Judicial Service Commission in July. In 2021, the JSC found him guilty of gross misconduct and he was impeached by the National Assembly in February 2024, with President Cyril Ramaphosa confirming the impeachment on March 1. However, the AfriForum asked for direct access to the court in July, arguing that Hlophe's nomination to the JSC was unconstitutional, illogical, and in violation of the National Assembly's constitutional obligations. In a statement, the CEO of AfriForum, Kali Kriel, said the court's issuance of directives was an important development and indicates that the court is considering AfriForum's application for direct access, and said this is a positive indication that AfriForum's application for direct access to Constitutional Court is not based on invalid grounds. We consider this as a step in the right direction to protect the rule of the law. We are now even more hopeful that we will be able to challenge Hlophe's appointment in the highest court, and that this appointment, which undermines the credibility and independence of the judiciary, will be set aside. Meanwhile, Hlophe's application for direct access to the Constitutional Court to set aside the process that led to his removal as a judge was dismissed last week. Dr. John Mandlakaise Hlophe also approached the Constitutional Court about his impeachment. The Constitutional Court denied Dr. Hlophe the direct access. What's the take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.